Here we have an absolutely beautiful 1956 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Wow, does this car grab your attention. Got the added Cadillac wires and wide whites on there. And those are radial tires, by the way, not bias ply. Car's running right now. Not even sure if you can hear it. It runs so smooth. Believe it or not, this car was repainted and restored approximately 20 years ago. So I would say she's standing up pretty doggone nice here. You can get a look down the side there. Paint has excellent shine to it. As you can see, the chrome and stainless trim down the side is in excellent shape. The bumpers are, I would say, in very good, not absolutely brand new, but very good condition. The exhaust is still routed through the rear bumper like they're supposed to be. You see a lot of folks cheat and run them underneath the bumper. The exhaust is running through the bumper as it should on this car. So he's got the fender skirts on there. Take a look at the inside. This is a numbers matching car as well. The frame, the motor, and the VIN on the car all match. You got power windows and power seat and power convertible top, all of which do work. Odometer reads 82,000 miles. Previous owner had this car for almost 25 years and he's getting up in age a little bit, and he's relocating, and he's getting rid of a couple of his cars. It was kind of hard for him to let it go. He's had this car for a long time, took very good care of it, as you can see. The convertible top on the car is like new. You can see all the still pictures of the car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Show you some of the best part though is under the hood here quick. Under the hood, as I mentioned, we've got the numbers matching motor. We got power steering and power brakes, of course, but look at this. It's also got the dual quad setup with the correct air cleaner on it. Wow, this car is awesome. Get a look back here. Okay. As I mentioned, the paint is around 20 years old. There's a couple of chips here and there that you may find and expect on a car that's been driven. There's a couple of some pimpling that's going on the trunk lid, I noticed. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up. You really got to be looking for it. Average bystander won't see it, but you got to get it just in the right light there, and you can see that. There's some of that on the trunk lid, and I believe there might have been a little spot of it on the hood as well. But anyways, as you can see, the car absolutely stands tall. Again, all the still pictures are on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, and financing is available as well.